right, you guys, right now it is 12:44. I don't know where the morning went. I did some treatments on my kids' hair, like some treatments to make their hair soft and smooth. I haven't done it in a while, so I did treatment on all three of the kids' hair. Well, that's what took me so long. I didn't even drink my coffee, so I'm gonna warm that up right now. And then I'm gonna take my cup, drink my coffee. I'm gonna go to my daughter's room and I'm gonna fold all the clothes that I have to fold. But first, before I do that, I actually cleaned the kitchen last night. It's not really much that I have to do more than the floor. I'm not even gonna show you the floor because it's disgusting. You guys will see it when I do it. But before I start folding the clothes, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up the living room. I kind of already started. I gotta show you guys. I completely, like, I don't know if you guys remember. Okay, remember how this is like my dining room and then my living room was set up different? Like the picture over there, I had like my couch against the window, and now I moved it and I also hung up a curtain. So this is kind of like what my living room is looking like right now. I wanted to change because I'm tired of looking at the same thing. I've been in quarantine for like 3 months already. Like before they even started shutting everything down, I left my job just to be safe. So I've been looking at the same thing. So I rearranged that. I also, let me see. The kids' bedroom, remember I did that cleaning? It's decent. I mean, that's toys. You guys know, so I'm not worrying about that. This I have to go through because this is like a pile of clothes that either don't fit me or like I just don't wear anymore. That up there is the same thing. I have a lot of clothes to go through. I really have to get, that's like my biggest thing, is I really have to get like clothes done. Let me close this closet. I also cleaned the heck out of this bedroom. I didn't fix the bed and the baby threw stuff on the floor, but it was definitely clean before. I don't know if you guys remember the way I had it. This chair, like I completely moved everything around in the room. So like, yeah, it's looking way better than it was before. Look at my babies. Look at all my babies. Look at my babies. Yeah, so I did that room. So I feel like right now I just need to like pick up the living room a little bit. And definitely get this laundry done. That's like my biggest thing. That's always the biggest thing that like overwhelms me, is all the laundry. I just have so much of it. I don't know what to do. Comment down below what is you guys' laundry routine. I had a routine and I kind of fell off. I couldn't really stick to it. I need a laundry routine that I can actually stick to. So comment down below and give me some ideas. But let me go ahead and get my coffee. No, I'm not going to get my coffee right now. I am going to finish cleaning up the living room, and then I'm going to get my coffee and start folding clothes. Slight change of plans. I know I said that I was going to start folding clothes, but let me show you guys something. Oh, but the change of plans with the coffee didn't, you know, that didn't change. But look, she's sleeping right now, so I'm gonna take this opportunity to mop the floor. Alright, you guys, I just have to fold. No, I have to hang that up. And then this right here is like my towels and blankets and stuff. I'm gonna do a organization to my linen closet, so I'm leaving those out so that I can organize everything the way I want it. So you guys stay tuned for that video, and I'm gonna complete this video now. Say hi.
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 So excited.
Yeah.
Say
hi.
Every single day, yeah, Mommy's trying to clean it by herself.
Yeah. You wanna say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say bye.